Now I will show you how to install DXB04. First, unscrew the buckle on the direction of release, like this direction, release, remove it. Then connect it with the quick release base, like this way. And then insert quick release base into the holder, like this. Here, push it hard. When you hear the crease sound like this, it means it has been buckled in. Then rotate the buckle until it is tight. Here it's tight, it's okay now. Then here we found a handlebar model. Imagine it is your handlebar. And then we unscrewed buckle on the quick release base, this one, release this one. And place it on the handlebar model like this way. And then we rotate and tighten. Rotate and tighten. Like this. Now the installation is complete. We have rotated and tightened the quick release base on the handlebar. So now we can put the phone on it to see the effect. After unblocking it, we can put the phone here. Put the phone here. And then we can block it here. This lock, push it. Then we don't need to worry about dropping the phone even when we are riding a bumpy ride. So this is the installation method.